Hey y'all, so today's video I'm basically going to be redoing my kitchen cabinets. Only two of my kitchen cabinets. This one right here that holds all my plates and cups and stuff like that, and the one right underneath it where I keep all my, what do I keep under there? To-go cups and like my, yeah, to-go cups and containers and stuff like that I keep underneath there. So I'm going to be organizing it, cleaning it out. Not that it's dirty, but it do need reorganizing because things are thrown and it's just, it just doesn't look good. But I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna clean out the cabinets and redo it. I'll show you guys the whole process, so stay tuned for more. This is what it's looking like right now. Well, I already cleaned out the closet, wiped down everything, and I put new what is this, drawer paper, contact whatever paper. I got this from the Dollar Tree. A roll of this covered both shelves, and I also got these little things from Dollar Tree as well. I'm just going to like rearrange it and see what I do with the rest of these. And then I gotta clean up all of this mess right here. So yeah, my spice cabinet, I reorganized my spice cabinet I think it was a month ago, so it don't really need reorganizing, but I do need to rearrange some things so that I can fit this coffee, overstock coffee, in there. So there's definitely space. I just need to move around some things and yeah, and fit that in. So that's, I am literally bad at taking before pictures and video, but this is the aftermath. It wasn't to my liking before. It was neat and organized and clean or whatever. If you go back to my first video, you might have seen how it looked, but I wanted to reorganize for my sake. Yeah, but it looks great now. This is how I want it to look. Upon purchasing these little divider things, some of them come a little crooked and not straight, so you just have to bend it into place. I can't bend it right now because I'm holding my camera in my left hand and using my right hand to hold this up to show you guys. But as you can see, it's not really straight. It's not that straight. Look, hold on. Like, this leg is crooked, and also the back legs are crooked, but they're bendable and they're easy. You can easily bend it, but like I said, I can't bend it right now because I have the camera in my hand, so I'm gonna do that. And yeah, so this is how it's looking. Have some things underneath there. Silver canisters underneath there. So, oh, this cannot fit. So I might have to lay it down and then put these like so. And then, I don't know, probably put this right there. Put it there. And then put his little silicone bib up on this hook right here. Right there. And yeah, I think that is it. Okay, so that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, stay tuned for the rest of my videos. And thank you so much for all the love and support, for the commenting. I really do appreciate it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace, love, and blessings. Take care.